Okay. So, the first word is mahal.
Mahal. Mahal.
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
It's mean love.
Okay. Sino ang mahal niyo? They love you daw. They said they love you.
Oh,
And
mahal
that's
ko
the
kayo.
correct answer. Ang galing, mahal ko kayo. Alam niya. Next Filipino phrase. Kailangan kita. So is it go away or I need you? Parang coaching. Parang fun.
ก็คอนเดาแล้วกันครับเอ่อ
Go away?
B I need you
I need you. Can you read it again?
คีลากัน
Kailangan. Kailangan kita.
kailangan kita
Yeah! Kailangan ko kita means
I need you
I need you. That is correct. So when you talk to your fans and Filipino fans, you can say kailangan kita.
kailangan kita
Yeah! Grabe ng third ha, grabe ng third. Next phrase. Gaan kita. So is it A, help me, or B, I will take care of you?
B
I will take care
of you
Okay, can you read it once again for the Filipino fans? Lumabas na agad yung sagot. Aalagaan kita.
aalagaan kita
That's correct. It means I will take care of you.
okay
Alright.
aalagaan kita
And our fourth phrase is
is ikaw lang sapat na ikaw lang sapat na
Perfect. So is it A, leave me alone, or you are enough?
ค่ะจะแปลว่าปล่อยฉันไว้คนเดียวเถอะหรือว่าจะแปลว่าแค่เธอก็พอแล้ว
คิดว่า B ครับ maybe I think B
B.
you are enough
You are enough. You are enough. Is it correct? Yes. Can you say it once again?
ikaw lang sapat na
Perfect. Dapat na record niya. Dapat gawin yung ringtone. Yan. Panggising sa umaga. Next phrase.
Sayo lang ako oh
Is it A, I like you? Or B, I'm only yours? Oh, that's quite hard.
B ครับ B
Huh?
B
Are you sure?
I'm sure
Okay.
Sayo lang ako
Nakaka-stress to guys. Medyo stressful lang sa harap ko sasabihin niya yan ha. Is it correct?
yes
Yes!